Hello students of class 9th. In the last video I have started transformation of sentences, clear? And also I started remove of adverb to, right? Now in this video that topic is same, will be continued. See here affirmative and negative sentences. Here first sentence is he is too proud to beg. You will change, remove. You will have to remove this to, adverb to. Here, he is so proud that he will not beg, right? Next, he is too weak to move. Change kare. He is so weak that he cannot move, right? As I have told you that when you will remove to, adverb to को remove करेंगे तो so that use कर रहे हैं, clear? Third sentence, he is too old to work hard. Change. He is so old that he cannot work hard. Number 4, my brother was so weak to carry the box. My brother was, my brother, again I am repeating, my brother was too weak to carry the box. You will change, my brother was so weak that he could not carry the box, right? One thing you will notice here, this sentence is in past tense, right? जब past tense में रहेगा तो you will remove so that could not use करेंगे. अब present tense रहेगा तो cannot, right? Next, the tree is too high for me to climb. Change, the tree is so high that I cannot climb it, right? Next, the house is too costly to be purchased. Change, the house is so costly that it cannot be purchased. Number 7, the sum was too difficult to solve. Change, the sum was so difficult that it could not be solved, right? Past tense में इसलिए could not use किया है, right? And number 8, the food is too pungent for me to eat. ये for me है, for me को हम subject बनाएंगे. You will write here, the food is so pungent that I cannot eat it, right? Number 9, the tape is too horrifying to show on TV. Change, the tape is so horrifying that it cannot be aired or shown on TV, right? Number 10, he is so popular a leader to lose the election. Change, he is too popular a leader to lose the election. You will change, he is so popular a leader that he will not lose the election, right? Now, till now we are using, removing adverb to. Now we are going to use adverb to, right? अभी तो हम लोग adverb to को remove कर रहे थे, अब adverb to को use करना है. Here negative and affirmative sentences are given. The first one is, it is so cold that one cannot go out, right? So that को remove करेंगे. So you will write here, it is too cold to go out, right? Second, she is so worried about her son that she cannot rest. Change, she is too worried about her son to rest, right? Next, he is so poor that he cannot buy a scooter. He is too poor to buy a scooter, right? Number 4, Ram was so fat that he could not sit properly, right? Past tense में you will remove this, to change this. Ram was too fat to sit properly. Number 5, the case was so urgent that it could not be postponed. Change. The case was too urgent to be postponed. Yes. His sorrow is so deep that he cannot express it in tears. Change करिए. His sorrow is too deep for him to express it in tears. Right? Number 7. It is so bad that I cannot bear it. You will remove this. So that को remove करेंगे. It is too bad for me to bear. Right? I को remove करके for me में हमने convert कर लिया. Clear? Object बनाएंगे. Next, his father is so fat that he cannot be healthy. You change. His father is too fat to be healthy. Clear? Number 9. The meeting was so noisy that I could not tolerate it. Change. The meeting was too noisy for me to tolerate. Right? Now number 10. The class was so indisciplined that the teacher could not control it. You will change. The class was too indisciplined for the teacher to control. Clear? Now we are going to change interchange of assertive and interrogative sentences. Right? अब assertive से हम लोग interrogative sentences में change करेंगे. The first one, I will never forget my kindness. Right? You will change, will you ever forget my kindness? Right? This is transformation of sentences. Clear, students? And what I had told you, that transformation of sentences means to change the form of sentence into another form, but the meaning should not be changed. मैंने बताया था कि सेंटेंस को दूसरे फॉर्म में चेंज करेंगे लेकिन मीनिंग नहीं चेंज हो जाएगी. मीन्स सेंटेंस का सेंस शुड नॉट बी चेंज. क्लियर? तो देखो सेंस नहीं चेंज हो रहा है. इसमें फर्स्ट सेंटेंस जो असर्टिव है उसमें लिखा है कि यू विल नेवर फॉरगेट माई काइंडनेस. यू विल चेंज विल यू एवर फॉरगेट माई काइंडनेस? क्वेश्चन मार्क. क्लियर? नेवर का अपोजिट एवर में कन्वर्ट कर दिया और विल हेल्पिंग वर्ब को बाहर ले आया. राइट? सेकेंड, देयर इज नथिंग बेटर देन अ बिजी लाइफ. क्वेश्चन कर देंगे, इज देयर एनीथिंग बेटर देन अ बिजी लाइफ? नथिंग का अपोजिट एनीथिंग में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. राइट? सेकेंड, आई मीन टू थर्ड, सी इज अ गुड स्पीकर. तो इज सी नॉट अ गुड स्पीकर? क्लियर? देयर ग्लोरी कैन नेवर फेड. कैन देयर ग्लोरी एवर फेड? नेवर अपोजिट एवर. राइट? नेवर को एवर में हमने चेंज कर दिया. नेक्स्ट, नो वन कैन बेयर सच एन इंसल्ट. तो कैन एनी वन बेयर सच एन इंसल्ट? क्लियर? नंबर 6, ब्लड इज थिकर देन वाटर. चेंज करेंगे, इज नॉट ब्लड थिकर देन वाटर. तो कुछ सेंस नहीं चेंज हो रहा है. सेंस इज सेम, मतलब मीनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस इज सेम. नाउ द नंबर 7, एवरीबडी नोज एम के गांधी. अब क्वेश्चन में कर दें, हु डज नॉट नो एम के गांधी? क्वेश्चन मार्क. क्लियर? नंबर 8, nobody would like to be a fool. तो who would like to be a fool? Clear? Now, interchange of exclamatory and assertive sentences. Right? अब exclamatory sentences को हम assertive में change करेंगे. Easy है, not very tough. Right? See the first example here. And with the help of example, this will be more clear to all of you. See here, first one, what a lame excuse. ये what a, जो what a को remove करते हैं तो जब इसमें very या great लगता है. ध्यान रखना हमेशा, जब भी assertive में change होगा तो very या great आएगा. और मार्क ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन रिमूव करके हम फुल स्टॉप यूज़ करें. Here the first is, what a lame excuse. You will change. It is a very lame excuse. Second, what a great man he is. You will write, he is a very great man. Third, how sweet is the song. The song is very sweet. Clear? Number 4, what a problem it is. चेंज करेंगे. इट इज़ अ ग्रेट प्रॉब्लम. राइट, देखो ग्रेट आ गया, वट आ को रिमूव करिए, ग्रेट यूज़ करिए. हाउ फुलिश, चेंज करिए. इट इज़ वेरी फुलिश. लश, दैट ही शुड डाई सो यंग. ये लश यूज़ करता है, एक्सप्रेस करता है सैडनेस को. यू विल राइट हियर, इट इज़ सैड दैट ही शुड डाई सो यंग. क्लियर? Number 7, oh that the desert were my dwelling place. Oh that जब यूज़ करें तो it means this is expressing wish, desire, इसको शो करता है. So you will write here, I wish that the desert were my dwelling place. Number 8, would that I had not wasted my time. Would that लगा है, इसमें wish लगेगा. So you'll write here, I wish that I had not wasted my time. Number 9, if I could only get one more chance. यहाँ इच्छा व्यक्त कर रहा है, कह रहा है काश मुझे एक चांस और मिल जाता. तो you'll write, I wish I could get one more chance. Clear? Number 10, to think of him meeting me here. Strange. You will write here, it is strange that he should meet me here. Clear? Number 11, alas, she gave up too soon. Express कर रहा है sorrow को. You will write here, it is sad that she gave up so soon. Clear? Now the last, bravo, you have done well. It's a matter of praise. Praise कर रहा है. You will write here, it's matter of praise that you have done well. Clear? Okay students, as I think this video is clear to all of you, and this topic, I mean to say transformation of sentences, will be continued, and the other remaining exercise you will find in next video. Okay.